Hi, Kai Jacobson here for LifeWave. Today I want to talk about tax benefits. Having a home-based business is one of the best ways that you can save money on your taxes. It's really an incredible thing. Not only do you have a business where you can share something, a product, that truly makes a difference in people's lives and people that you truly care about. You can share all the different types of patches we have with LifeWave, as well as some of these new nutritional products that really make a difference in their lives. But by having a business that you can do that's a home-based business, you really get a huge amount of tax benefits that you just don't get if you don't have a home-based business. So if you have a regular job and you're doing this as a part-time business, which many or most people actually do, you can have incredible savings on your taxes. Now, I'm not a tax accountant, but I've been working in this industry for almost 35 years. And one of the strongest ways to build your business is by sharing the benefit of the tax benefits you have. There's so many write-offs that you can do as soon as you start having a home-based business. Things such as when you go traveling, if you start promoting your business while you're on a trip by just sharing a little bit about the product and maybe giving a couple samples out and just talking about it with people and earnestly share a little bit. It doesn't mean you have to take over your whole vacation at all, but just when I go on vacation and I go to places, I love, everyone asks me about what's that patch on your back there, or they see it and they ask, and by me just sharing about it and handing a brochure and having a bit of a conversation, maybe just even once a day, guess what? A whole bunch of that trip that I just took for me and my kids and family, everyone, is a tax write-off. Not the whole thing, of course, but a significant part of it, the plane tickets, the food. So anytime you go to a meal, and if you're truly sharing something about the benefits of this business for a tax benefit to other people or the benefit of the products, either one actually, just promoting your business, you can actually save a lot of money on your taxes. Now, you definitely want to talk to your tax accountant about it. There's a number of programs that you can actually nowadays put on your cell phone. It's incredible. They're like tax bots. And you can, the key to doing tax benefits with a home-based business is, in order to get the benefits, you have to do a few things. One is you have to document on a daily basis. It does take some work. Every day you have to keep clear records of exactly why you're writing off your lunch, your car, some of the cost of your mortgage for your home-based business out of your home. If your kids are helping you with the business, licking stamps, handing out some brochures, or maybe even putting some on a car here and there. They can be employees of yours as long as they're actually truly doing something towards the business. You have to document all this, and so one of the easiest ways is to have an application on your phone, and you can use the little camera on your iPhone, or if you have a Galaxy phone, whatever type of phone you have, as long as it's a smartphone, you can actually just keep simple records by clicking a picture, and it goes to the cloud-based database, and every day you're just doing a little bit of a record keeping. Your gas mileage, you can take a picture of your odometer. Again, your lunches, if you bring up anything about the business, the home-based business, with anybody you're having lunch, that's now a business lunch. And the key thing with the IRS is that you have to have a daily record. That's the key. And that you have a couple questions that you're answering each event that you're doing every day. And a significant part of what you pay in taxes. One of my very favorite things is that I love cashback cards. Everybody loves cashback cards. I have a Costco card, and at the end of the year I get a little bit back, like half of 1% or maybe 1%, I forget exactly. I think I get like about $100 every year back from Costco, and I might spend $4,000 or $5,000 there. So I'm not sure the exact percentage, maybe even up to $10,000 sometimes at Costco in a year. Or with gas cards, you can get a little bit back. Usually, cashback cards are 1%, maybe 2%. If you're really a great cashback card for something might be 3% at shopping certain places. And everybody loves cashback cards, but you know what the very best cashback card is? It's your business card. This is my LifeWave business card. It's the very best cashback card you'll ever have. By having a home-based business and having my business card, handing it out, using it, it's like a cashback card. And guess what? I can get up to 45%. Not in every case, but in many cases I can get 45% cash back on my expenditures that I'm doing, like travel, as I said, meals, cost of my car, part of my mortgage, great tax benefits from this. So my recommendation is that you talk to your accountant and really see what kind of tax benefits you can get from having a home-based business and joining us with LifeWave. Not only will you get some great life-changing products that you can use every month, you'll get major savings, many thousands of dollars. If you're paying, a large amount of taxes, it's very significant what you can do with home-based business if you're not taking that tax benefit right now. We recommend that everyone go on AutoShip and get your favorite product, maybe even rotate through some products and try our whole product line. And guess what? With the tax benefits, those products end up not even costing you anything because of the savings that you do. And actually your savings even more than their cost. You're making money every month by being on AutoShip and having this home-based business, even if you never sell anything. Now, of course, with the IRS, you have to make a sincere effort to sell, and the hope is that some of the people that you're going to be sharing this with are going to get excited about it too, if not just for the tax benefits, for the benefits of the products. They're truly life-changing. Another thing that I'd like to share is that I've known a number of people that have been in the business where they're working with people's financials a lot, like a mortgage broker. I've known a number of mortgage brokers and tax accountants too, actually. And this is a great business for those people too. So one way to work with building this business with LifeWave is to approach tax accountants or mortgage brokers who are very intimately aware of people's financials, or even real estate agents who kind of have to get into how much money somebody earns and what their taxes are. They usually see that whole ratio as they're buying a house. And this is a great add-on business. I had a mortgage broker that I worked with at one time, and he did about $40,000 worth of business every month personally with mortgages. And he did about 40 people, like 20 to 40 people every month he wrote mortgages on. He had a very big business. And he used to give a gift of sending them to a restaurant as a way of saying thank you for your business, and by the way, do you have any referrals that you might like to give me in my mortgage business? Well, when he got into network marketing, he decided, I'll just give away my product. And so with LifeWave, let's give them a sleeve, a month's supply of pain patches or anti-aging, why age? That we have a whole variety of products now, that, especially with these new nutritional theta products. Give a gift, and you can teach these mortgage brokers and tax accountants to give a gift of a month's supply. And then after about a month, or I even say maybe even only a week, you have them follow up with a phone call, or you might follow up you might help them in this way and offer to follow up with their clients and say how did they like that product, and give them some recommendations maybe on some better placements of the patches or something like that. And then you can broach this topic about, especially if the accountant or the mortgage broker does it themselves. So the way that this gentleman did it was, he said, I'm very aware of your financial situation and your tax liability because we just, put this deal together with your mortgage. And what I've realized, if I could show you a way, this is the line that they would say, if I could show you a way, let's say they were making $100,000 income a year as an employee somewhere, or as a salary. If I could show you a way where you could save maybe maybe even up to $10,000 a year on your taxes, would you be interested in knowing more about that? And often, they made a big enough income, he could save them significant money, way beyond the AutoShip. If an AutoShip with LifeWave is only about $80 a month, $79 or so, with shipping and everything. And if you multiply that times 12, you're talking under $1,200 for sure for being on AutoShip every month. If you can save thousands on your taxes, that's a great business. And a lot of these people were in professions where they actually encountered a lot of people that really benefited a lot from the product. And with LifeWave, our products are so life-changing for so many people. Very likely, not only are you going to save money in your taxes, but in time, by handing out samples and just sharing, the benefits of the products, you'll start having an extra income come from it. Not only will you get tax benefits, but you'll be making extra livelihood from this. So life is a lot more fun when it's tax deductible, and it's great when a business can start on its own accord and it can become a whole family business.